Hello friends, in this video we are going to see GATE problem from the topic properties of fluids. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2019 latest paper Mechanical Engineering Set 1, question number 45 for 2 marks. Two immiscible, that is which cannot be mixed, incompressible viscous fluids having the same densities but different viscosities are contained between two infinite horizontal parallel plates 2 meter apart as shown in the figure below. The bottom plate is fixed and the upper plate moves to right with a constant velocity of 3 meter per second. With the assumptions of Newtonian fluid, steady and fully developed laminar flow with zero pressure gradient in all directions, the momentum equation simplifies to d square y by dy square equal to 0. If the dynamic viscosity of the fluid is mu2, which is twice that of upper fluid mu1, then the velocity at the interface round up to 2 decimal places is dash in meter per second. So this is the x direction, y direction is given here. 2 meter is the distance between the two plates and the bottom plate is fixed, it is given. So this is the bottom plate which is stationary, you can see. Bottom plate is stationary. So I can put the velocity u is equal to 0 here. And this is your u1 that we have to find, and this is u2. Correct, that I have given the name u0, u1 and u2. Okay, u2 is the velocity for the upper plate and it is given the upper plate moves to right with a constant velocity of 3 meter per second. This is given in the question. Mu2 is equal to twice mu1. This is also a given data. And mu1 is the viscosity between the upper plates and mu2 in the other plates. I mean bottom plates and the interface. Now the question is we have to find the velocity at the interface. So what is given here? I'll write here. Flow is laminar in both the fluids. So given data from the equation d square u by dy square equal to 0 it is given. So if you integrate this equation, you will be getting du by dy will be equal to C1 constant. Again, if you integrate the same equation, you will be getting u is equal to C1y plus C2. Correct. So from this equation, it is very clear that velocity is linearly varying. Correct. So from this equation, we can say that velocity is linearly varying. So the shear stress will be constant. So the shear stress will be constant. Shear stress will be constant at the interface. So whenever you are having linear velocity profile between the two plates, so at the interface when it is equidistant, correct, then you are having the same value of shear stress from the top and bottom plate. So we can write, let us say the shear stress from the top plate is tau1 and from the bottom plate is tau2. So we can write tau1 equal to tau2. So I'll write here tau1 here and tau2 here. Okay, so tau1 is equal to tau2, shear stress 1. Tau is equal to mu into du by dy is equal to mu2 into du by dy. So mu1 du is your u2 minus u1, and dy, so dy is same, that is your 1 meter. You can write, and after that also you can cancel. Mu2 is twice mu1, u1 minus 0, but dy is again 1 meter. This 1 meter gets cancelled. What is remaining? So twice, or you can also cancel mu1. Correct, this mu1 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Twice u1 is equal to u2 is your 3 minus u1. Correct. Or 2u1 plus u1 equal to 3. Therefore u1 is equal to 3 by 3 is 1 meter per second. So this is the final answer. u1 is equal to 1 meter per second. u1 equal to 1 meter per second for the interface. Okay, u1 is equal to 1 meter per second at the interface. Okay, thank you.